What is going on, guys and gals? Welcome back to another video of Ripping and Sipping. Tonight's drink is going to be a Weller 12 year. Cheers. And what we're going to be opening, Crown Zenith Baby 10. Only one of them. And the release for common people, at least, of the 3 legendary birds. Bang, bang, bang. So cool. Very excited. Very excited for these. Hopefully we get some good pulls. Really need some good pulls from Crown Zenith. Still, in case anybody's wondering, waiting to pull gold. Have not did so yet. Probably will never do so, knowing my luck. Alright. Excuse me. Starting off 2 packs. Crown Zenith from the Baby 10. Here we go. Thought I seen something already. Wham, wham. Ultra Ball. And a Blossom. Believe it or not, I don't have this card. Out of all the stuff I've opened, it's like the only rare in the set that I do not have. So I'm not even mad about that Blossom pull. At all. Not mad. This fucking card. Alright, moving on. Cards feel thick. So Rock, Snow Run, Rock Ruff, Tangle the Ball Toy, Glitter Meowth, Coughing, and an Oranguru. Alright, moving into the first 10. Hopefully Crown Zenith treats you guys better than it does me. I always see videos where everybody just pulling like ridiculous shit. Just getting hits and hits and hits and hits and hits. It's just not the case for me. We got our 5 packs. It's really cool tint, so like so cool to the point that I would keep them instead of throwing them away like most other tints. Still cool promos too. We'll sleeve the promos and put them back there. Lost Vacuum, Great Ball, Soul Rock, Wooloo. Alright, that's a good pull, and that's a good pull. Don't have this one. I do have this one. But we'll sleep on both. Does anybody else get frustrated whenever you put sleeves that you pull out of the pack back into the pack, and some of them are like open up straight, some of them you gotta flip back around. It's frustrating to me. So you used to do it one way, getting a little rhythm, and then you not in rhythm. One of those things. It's a giraffe rig. It's the same both ways. I think they call that a paradigm or some shit. Deoxys and Snorlax. Let's see. Happen again. It's bullshit. Bullshit. Alright, third pack. Hits and everything so far. Not mad about them. It's good hits. Doesn't matter if I have the cards already, I'll just sell them back. Local card shop, trade them, whatever. Plus, it's just fun to open them. That's the main reason for this. Wooloo and a Sizor. See something black. Carrier, Pawniard. Wham. A Bay. Hey, Bay. And a 1 mega. I won't sleep the Bay. I'll set her to the side with my Blossom. So I don't think I have the reverse of Miss Hey Bay Bay. This fucking guy. Radiant Charizard and Zero. So, first 10. Doesn't help the binder a whole lot, but we got some value out of it. It's a really pretty card. And the old Zard. So I pulled the Radiant Charizard like 4 times. I only pulled the V-Star once. So, anyways, we're about to move on to the next one. About to move on to this Articuno. Cheers before we do. Alright. Next up. It's also a cool bird. I don't know, I really like the Zapdos, so Zapdos just, Zapdos just looks like, go out back in a bar fight, give you all you wanted. He looks like one of those dudes, like you don't want to scrap with him. You don't want to scrap with him, Alright, next 5 packs. Gloom. Corfish. Bordish. Toot. Aaron. And another Yawn Mega. Rare candy. Stoutland V. For the first pool. Third pack. Guru and a Volcarona. I'll set that one Guru to the side. I also don't think I have the reversing him for my binder. We shall see. I feel like these cards are sticking today. Maybe my hands are just soft or something. I don't know. Meowth. Comfy. And a Tapu Lele. Sleeve the Comfy. Glaring Gallery hit. And the Tapu Lele can come over and hang out. Hang out with the Blossom. And the Oranguru. And the A-Baby. Another fucking V-Star marker. Good for nothing shit. Shaman. Hoppy. And a Debu. Alright, so that one was, wham. Big time. Big time for that one. And lastly, I think my favorite out of these promo cards, just Moltres. Just in the cards. As far as the actual Pokemon go, I always kind of like the Zapdos the most. But that artwork of that Zapdos, man, like I'm telling you. Dude just looks like he's got hands, you know. Pink just makes that pop. Just makes it pop. Alright, it's been the last 5 packs. Try to make some room here. Scoot on down, guys, scoot on down. Try to remember which ones came in what, just in case it matters one day. Which it might not. Cheers. Alright, come on. We're gonna pull gold. It's gonna happen. Speak it into existence. Sticking. Electric. Dig and do. Switch. Execute. Lube disc. Oh, fuck you. Yanma. Ryulo. And a Calyrex. You get a sleeve. I want to culture Glaring Gallery. I will gladly take my $1.19 for you. Carnivine, Rare Candy, Larion, Rookford, Tangela, Boltoy, Meowth, Wooloo, Regigigas V. I don't think I have the reverse Lulu. Not that I'm like, you know, super excited about it either, but I don't want to dig the shit back out later. Alright. 3 more packs. 3 more packs. 3 more packs. 3 more packs. It's one of my favorite Pokemon. Scyther, sorry. At least from base set, it's one of my favorite. I think it was always that high-pitched voice, you know, back in the day. Back when you were eating, you know, Fruity Pebbles sitting Indian style in front of the TV, you know. You hear those Scyther tune up, boy, you just slicing and dicing, looking like Edward Scissorhands. Alright, 2 more. Shame. Wooloo. Shanks. Panchami. A Snorunt. Coughing. And a Rayquaza VMAX. Not upset. Not upset. It's a cool card. Cool card. Not mad. Not mad that it's a cool card. It's just that I already have that cool card, you know. Alright. Last pack. There's something in here. I feel it. There's a V-Star marker I've already seen. I'm not gonna get shit. Cheers, though. Potion. Corfish. Hey, Ron. Entry search. Oh, I didn't do the card trick. I forgot. But it doesn't matter because I'm not going to pull gold. And that's the last pack. Hope everybody enjoyed. A little Crown Zenith opening. Just for a little recap, the mini tins did not pull a full king thing. Here's your 3 promo cards. There, link. Have your Zapdos, Articuno, and your Moltres. So I think that's the coolest card. But don't forget what I said about this dude. Scrapper. Hands all day. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to. Don't cost you a dime. You know, you might buy a mini tin one day from the substantial profits of YouTube that I'll have with like 10 subscribers. Just kidding. But hope everybody enjoys.